God, I just leveled up. They won't speak to my face, got that antidote. They been putting me on like I'm one of those. I can see what they hate, I just ain't me. Tell me a place that I can't go.
Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kayna.jay, and I'm back with a video to slay per usual. But okay, hey y'all, what's up? I'm gonna basically be giving y'all a hair tutorial. Y'all see by the picture, y'all know what I'm doing. I'm doing a little Barbie 90's bob with the bang, and the bob is going to be swooped up, yada yada yada. I don't know what the hairstyle's called, but hey. So the products you'll need: acrylic iron, and you want to get acrylic iron with the plant. Okay, acrylic iron with the plant. You'll need a comb, a hot comb. I feel that this is a very important item because it'll really help to smooth your hair. Got to be spray. Need some erase beeswax, water, super glue. You might need a comb or edge brush depending on how you want to do your edges or whatever, but I'll show you how I'm going to do mine, and I don't know if I'm going to use the brush, the comb yet, or whatever. So the first thing you're going to want to do is part your hair. I kind of already have a part because I've already done this style, so I'm going to kind of swoop. So now what you want to do is take your beeswax, kind of like put it on the part and kind of all down. Really, your hair, you want this part to be super flat. When I'm going to do my swoop, I'm not going to have my swoop flat. I'm going to have it up like that and then down. And I'm just going to mold it like that. And tuck it behind your ear. Alright, so for this step is when the oil comes in. It is the maximum strength super grow thickener with vitamin E and then a water bottle for steam, as my mom liked to say. You want a very small section of the oil. I already did it, know what's going on, and just put it on your hair. Water on your fingertip, just a little, and put it on that section off. Just a little.
That's good.
necessarily don't have to use it the first time. I didn't use a blow dryer, but I think that right now it'll be good. So what I'm going to to do is just comb through the bang really nice and just bring it forward. The bang, you kind of really just have to like spray it and kind of comb as you go. Alright, now that our bang is done, hold on. Alright, this is the finished look.